Hi, to reset Control Center on your iOS 18 iPhone, as a first step we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Control Center. So here we would need to click on this button and here we can immediately see this blue button Reset Control Center. So if you're sure and you want to reset everything to default settings, click on this button and then click on this red one once more. After this, the Control Center should be reset and all of the buttons and features should be on the default places. But if you think that the default layout is not comfortable for you, you can still customize it. By clicking on this plus at the left upper corner, you can add some new features and also rearrange the old ones. So for example, here we can take this timer and switch it places with the calculator like this. We can easily change the place of this music playback and for example put it somewhere here like this. So you can rearrange all of the features, and if you're missing some, you can click on this button, add a control to find some more hidden features that can be in your control center. So here we can for example add low power mode, and this is it. Now to save the changes, just simply swipe up and everything will stay like this. That's all. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.